Now, the number one reason why the putting gate was actually developed was to be able to practice your start line, to get the golf ball to roll all the way through each and every time. And of course, if you can put a target out there and see the ball going in or hit the pod, then that's extra feedback for you. You can get the ball to go through there and still miss your target at a certain distance, and that's because of the margin for error. And there is a margin, small margin that it may be, but 1 degree, did you know 1 degree at 10 feet is 2.09 inches, and the edge of the hole is only 2.125 inches if you're aiming at the centre. So 10 feet and 1 degree is going to be a miss. So it's critical that we practice start line. And if we practice the start line using the putting gate, then we're giving ourselves a fighting chance of starting the ball on line each and every time. That's what we're working towards. Remember, 95% of the start line is governed by the face of the club, so it's critical that you get this aligned correctly as well. Now, if you keep missing the gate, I will warn you that the gate will move a little bit and you will just have to put it back into the perfect position. But essentially, if the club face is open, you could be hitting the right-hand side of the gate. If it's closed, you could be hitting the left-hand side of the gate. But that's the feedback you need. If the club face is closed, then you're going to hit that left-hand side. And likewise, if it's open, it's going to hit the right-hand side. So when you're testing yourself and you're training, the key is to make sure that face is nice and square. You want the face nice and square to the path of the club as well, remember, because that's going to help produce the optimum start line. And that's when you see the ball tracking, if you use a line on the ball, out on the putting green. It helps with your alignment. It's also going to be a very good transferable skill from here. When you get used to lining the ball up, using the putting gate and the rod and your putter, then you're going to be able to get that putter to do what you need it to do, which is to strike the ball squarely with a face and path that's moving towards the target. You might just knock a few in if you do.